Hey everybody, we're here with Chef Eric. We're going to run through the Valentine's special for 2020. We're going to do a pan-seared sea scallop with rainbow chard and some parsnip puree. So we're going to go through the chard right now and just kind of show you how to clean it. This is red. We're going to be using rainbow, but it's basically the same thing. We're going to take a nice sharp knife and we're going to cut the stem away from the leafy green. Push that aside. We can use that stem later on for something else, but we're not going to use it in this dish. If we do use it for something else, you're going to have to pre-blanch it, and then you can saute it or roast it or do whatever you want. It's delicious. But for right now, we're just going to discard it to the side. We're going to take the leaves. We're just going to roll them up kind of like you would a chiffonade, but we're not going to go that thin. We're going to do about a half-inch slice, so we get ribbons or pieces of the chard. Okay, once we get that, we wrote a recipe for, we're going to render some bacon in a saute pan. We're going to add and soften, lightly caramelize some onions, add some chicken broth, and then we're going to wilt the chard for service and have it ready to go in a double boiler third pan. So here we go, we're going to build the plate. I also sent out the recipe for the parsnip puree. Chef Eric's going to put some down on the fish plate, put it on one end and smear it across the plate. You'll see how smooth and creamy it is. That's because we did it in the Romo cube first and it wasn't creamy, so we used the Vitamix at the bar. So if you have a burr mixer or a Vitamix, I highly suggest hitting it before service in that. Then we're going to take the braised red chard and we're going to put it right in the center of the plate across the smear of the parsnip. And then we're going to pan sear the 4 large scallops in a brown butter. And I'll get with you on each of that. It's going to be half part oil, half part butter. Brown the butter, then sear the scallops in that. We're going to stack 2 on one side, 2 on the other. Nice caramelization on there. Then we're going to take some microgreens. We're going to pile a little bit of microgreens on top. So you can see it's got nice height. It's got a whole lot of flavor going on the plate. We're going to pair this, or we're going to use this as our market fresh fish, and then pair it for our prefix menu as well. If you have any questions, give me a call. Thank you.